Have you ever wondered why you never post photos of yourself online, or why someone you know seems almost invisible on social media? No selfies, no birthday photos, no updates, just silence. People assume it means you're shy, insecure, or antisocial, but psychology says almost the exact opposite. If you rarely post your photos online, it reveals unique traits that only a small percentage of people actually have. Let's break down what it really says about you. 1. You're selectively visible. Most people post to prove they're doing well. You don't, because you don't need an audience to validate your existence. You prefer to be seen by the right people, not by everyone. This is an insecurity. It's a quiet form of confidence, the kind that doesn't need applause. 2. You think before you reveal. People who don't post pictures aren't hiding, they're filtering. You share only when it feels meaningful, intentional, or necessary. This comes from something psychologists call high self-boundary awareness. You understand what parts of your life deserve privacy and what, if anything, deserves exposure. 3. You don't seek validation, you generate it. People who constantly post selfies often rely on external validation. People who don't usually rely on internal validation. Your value doesn't depend on likes. Your mood doesn't depend on attention. Your identity doesn't depend on being seen. That's emotional independence, and it's rare. 4. You understand the difference between reality and performance. Most people don't post what's real. They post what looks good. You see through that illusion. Psychologists call this impression management, the game of curating a perfect life. You don't compare your reality to someone else's highlight reel. You choose authenticity over performance. 5. You're more emotionally mature than you realize. People who avoid oversharing often score higher in self-regulation, emotional intelligence, and identity stability. Your self-worth isn't tied to how often people see your face. You don't need to broadcast your life to feel like you're living it. That's emotional maturity, not avoidance. 6. You protect your peace from digital noise. Social media rewards noise, speed, and visibility. You prefer quiet, depth, and intention. Psychologists call this low social dependency. Your brain doesn't crave constant digital interaction. It craves simplicity, clarity, and peace. 7. You value real connections over digital ones. You don't need strangers to know your life. You value private relationships, real conversations, and in-person moments. Posting doesn't feel necessary because your life happens offline, not on a screen. You're living your story, not performing it. So the next time someone wonders why you don't post photos, remember this: not everyone who's quiet online is insecure. Some people simply know who they are without needing a digital mirror. They don't need to be seen by thousands to feel seen by the people who matter. If you're one of them, that's not a weakness. That's real confidence, and it's rare. If you love understanding why people think, feel, and behave the way they do, subscribe to PsychDraw, where we don't just watch people online, we decode the mind behind the behavior.